Hey y'all, how you doing? Man, I don't know where you're at today. This is the 6th of July, man. We're hanging out on the Elk River in Lincoln County, Tennessee. Man, ain't nothing better than summertime and cold water. Man, if you get a chance, get out on the rivers and the lakes and stuff in your area and have a little fun. Tennessee's got a lot to offer. If you get out and get a chance, do it. And remember, don't just travel Tennessee, experience Tennessee. Y'all have a good day now.
Well, people of Austin treat you kind.